Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Girl from the Friday Night Funkin' Twinsomnia mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the face. I'll start by drawing a circle in the middle of the page. Next, from the top, let's draw a curve down and towards the right like this for the bangs. Now let's erase that circle line in the top here. Next, let's draw the piece of hair on the left. Start from the top and let's draw a curve down and up. And then curve it back down at the bottom. Next, let's erase the circle line that's on the left. Next, in the bottom right side, let's draw a point up, like this. And then let's erase that circle line under the point. Next, let's move inside and draw the eyes. Let's start by drawing a long oval inside. And then color it in black. And then an eyelash on the top left. Now let's draw the right eye by drawing a curve underneath the bangs. And color this in black as well. Let's draw the mouth next. Move down and let's draw a diagonal line here. And then a U shape underneath. And lastly, let's add a diagonal line inside for the top of the tongue. And lastly, for the face, let's draw curves on either cheek. So a small curve on the right side here, and then a larger curve on the left cheek. Okay, next, let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve across the top like this. Now from the ends, let's curve it up and out. And the same on the right side. Let's leave the hair like that for now until we finish the body. Now let's move up and draw the bow. Let's start on the top of the head and let's draw a curved line out and up like this. Then for the end, let's curve it down and back in. Now inside next to the head, let's draw a curve like this. Next, let's move back up at the top of the head and let's draw a line over and back down. Then on the right, another curve up and back down for the other side of the bow. And then again, a curve inside. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start by drawing the left arm. On the bottom right of the face, let's draw a curve up and back down on an angle. And then close off the other side of the arm, coming to a point at the bottom. Now move over on the right and let's draw a curve over to the arm. Then continue it on the other side of the arm and curve it back up. And then inside the body here, let's draw a bent line at the top. Let's draw the other arm now. On the right of the body, let's draw a curve down, and then a diagonal line for the other side. Next, let's draw the skirt of her dress. Start on the left of the body and let's draw a curve out and down. And then a curve down on the right side. Now let's connect the two sides with a large curve. Next, let's move under and let's add the feet. Let's start with a pointed V shape down like this. And then an angled one on the left side. And then add diagonal lines inside at the top. And lastly, to finish it off, let's close off the bottom of her hair. From the left side, let's curve it down to the skirt. And the same thing on the right. And that's it for girl. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!